Hey guys, just a short midweek video. There's no Detailing World live this week, so I just wanted to let you know we've got a few videos coming up with Lake Country power tools. So hopefully you've already seen me use this on the Range Rover SVR detail, and if you haven't, I'll put a link to that up there now. And we're also hoping to get a hold of the pad washer as well. I'll play the promo video at the end of this one. We're also hoping to get Kelly from KDS on one of our next live sessions as well. So if you've got any questions about Lake Country, be it the power tools, this UDOS machine polisher, or any of the pads, get those in the comments below and we can fire those over to Kelly once he does come on the live. Also, just make you aware as well, we're going to try and do some more regular Wednesday videos, just keeping you updated, especially between the live sessions. So they're going to be things such as the prize announcements, so keep an eye out for next week. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to this channel already, this is something we're trying to make a regular feature. So make sure you are subscribed just by clicking the button below. It doesn't cost you a thing. It really helps the channel, and you've got a chance of winning some prizes as well. So yeah, we've got a lot of gear, as you can imagine. We're trying to give that away every single week. So we'll be announcing the winners of those giveaways on the upcoming Wednesday. So make sure you check back for those as well. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this little bit of an update, and we'll get back to regular programming on Friday. Audio